Hi everyone, it's Sherry with Studio 28E with another video. Today was my lucky day. I got 3 packages in the mail. First one was from Sheila Gingrich. This one is from, Heidi. And Heidi, I don't know how to say your last name. But she's from Africa, South Africa. And she put together this wonderful kit. There's so much in it from what I've seen online, and so many different things that I'm sure I've never seen before. So I'm really looking forward to this, opening this package. I wanted to see if her name was on here, but I think it just says Heidi. Anyway, Heidi Scalar. I'm sorry, Heidi. I'm just going to give up on that because I'm just going to butcher your last name. So let's kind of forget about that. So inside this package, I've never gotten a package from Africa or so far away from home before, I don't believe, is, ooh, look at this. Looks like a handmade paper bag. It's heavy. Let's see. Do you want to open it or do you want to take everything out first? Let's take everything out first. And get rid of the box. Okay. So first we have this little card. Created for you by Dream in Color, African Journal Kit 1, African Digital Kit 1. And then she gives you this little poem inside the card and a little note. And I was hoping it would show her last name so I could show it to you. Well, it might pop up someplace else, so we'll see. And this cute little bag. I love it. Looks like homemade paper. Let's see. Oh, there's several goodies in here. Tissue paper that we will save to use for projects. Let's see. Some brads. Pretty color brads. This looks like I am not having luck in getting anything in this camera today at all. Oh, beaded sequin trim. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but the video gods are not on my side today. Beautiful laces. There's gold and white and black and gray and red. So pretty. Rickracs of all different colors. Reds and violets and pinks and yellows and oranges and greens and gold or silver. Thank you so much, Heidi. And we've got a bunch of buttons, wooden buttons. It's butterflies. Butterflies and plaids or ginghams and designs. Pretty, pretty. This was my lucky day. And what else? Oh, did you make this little doll? She's adorable. She is absolutely adorable. Look at her. Look at her. There's some trim. ribbons. This ribbon is brown with white overstitching. And there's one with postage stamps on it. Beautiful. A bag of beads. Oh my. I've never seen some of these types of beads before. I don't think I've ever seen pearls that big. Beautiful. Look at. So pretty. Well, it'll make some nice dangles. And some boho beads. Oh, and there's more. Oh, look at all these metal embellishments. Oh my gosh. This is like being spoiled. Bead caps. Oh my. Heidi, I cannot thank you enough for sending all of these. Not at all. I can't thank you enough. Doesn't matter what I say, it probably just won't cover how thankful I am for receiving these from you. And here's some more little blingy. We call these, oh gosh, I don't remember. We made that. I made some. But, yep, those will come in handy as well. Very nice, Heidi. Very nice. I'm so excited. I can't believe you sent all of this stuff. And so now we have this part of the package. People make me ashamed of myself when I send things out. I do not package them ever so nicely.